everyone, and welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you're new here, please go ahead and click subscribe and give me a like to stay tuned to my future videos. In tonight's video, I am reviewing the blasting cabinet that I just purchased. It's the newest addition to the garage. I'll need this for some blasting some parts, getting ready to finish off my Volkswagen engine rebuild.
Keep watching this video for a full review of the Torin Big Red benchtop abrasive blasting cabinet as I unbox it, do any assembly that's needed, and test out on the engine parts that I have as I work away to rebuild my Volkswagen engine. There it is, all unpackaged and assembled. There wasn't much assembly needed, as you can see. My first impression though is it's very flimsy. I certainly wouldn't pay full price for it. And the hoses definitely aren't as long as they should be. I mean, that should be an extra 2 feet longer at the bottom abrasive pickup line. So we'll need to swap that out. And I'll probably need to do some caulking to make sure it doesn't blow sand or dust everywhere. And find a way of connecting the vacuum up to there to suck away any of the dust. So we got my setup almost ready to go here. Just need the glass bead dumped in and connect the air compressor. I really had to improvise here with the vacuum. Not sure why, but they designed the hole so it's slightly too small to fit the vacuum nozzle in. And it's a shop vac brand, so I assume it's pretty standard size, but didn't quite fit. So, temporary solution: some cardboard, some duct tape. So let's get that glass bead dumped in and test it out.
So I'm quite experienced with sandblasting, but this will be my first time using a blast cabinet and glass beads. I've always done abrasive blasting for removing rust, nothing like this before, so we'll give it a shot on this scrap Volkswagen cylinder head and see how it looks. So I did a couple tests there, and just as I expected, the air compressor that I have, the little 2-horse, is way too small. I'll have to figure something out there. Anyways, here's a test I did to show the difference between non-blasted and blasted with the glass bead. So there's the glass bead I used. There's a quick demonstration of the difference it makes. A couple passes over, and there's no questions about that. That's what I need to do to my other heads to clean them up. Well guys, aside from the few quality issues and the fact that I certainly need a larger air compressor, I'd say this blast cabinet was certainly worth the $150 that I paid for it. Stay tuned as I do some more work with this blast cabinet and get some more projects pushed through the garage. Thanks for watching.